it seems appropriate for me to make some gravy right now, which is just such a great accompaniment to any roast, and I like the chicken gravy. When I first moved to this country, I had not tried the gravy, which was very new to me, and I completely fell in love. And the first kind of recipes that I tried was, I think, Jamie Oliver's, and I might have tweaked it and just kind of made it my own. But yeah, totally inspired by his recipe, because before that I had no idea what gravy is. So this is really good. It's 2 days to Christmas, and I'm going to prepare this. Once it's cooled down, I'll leave it in the fridge, and then I'll have one less thing to cook on the day. So I'm going to start by using 1 kilo of just chicken wings, and to this I'm going to add 2 to 3 sticks of celery. Actually, I am just going to just chop it up slightly, roughly. Actually, I'm going to make it 4. I love celery. I love it dipping in hummus and just in soups. Also got 3 carrots there, which I am going to peel quickly. Just going to roughly chop these 2, and I have got a couple of onions which I'm just going to peel. Right, so I'm just going to roughly chop up the onions. And also going to throw in around 10 cloves of garlic. Oh, it's going to be lovely. Good pinch of black pepper. Good pinch of salt. And then just a good glug of oil. Just get some more. Like a couple of tablespoons of oil. And then all I'm going to do is just mix it up. Try and put the chicken on top, so the wedges on the bottom. So I have just realized that I haven't bought any herbs, and I might have some thyme and sage leaves outside. So I'm just gonna see if I can get some. So I have actually found some thyme. Yay! And I'm just going to cut a few. Oh, it smells so good. And it's just stopped raining, so that's pretty good. I think that's going to be plenty. And I'm just going to get a few leaves of sage. That should work. And I'm just going to put some of these sprigs of thyme and some sage. That should work very well. And now this is going to go in a hot oven at 180°C or 160 fan for 1 hour. Right, so this is ready. Oh, it looks good. And I'm just going to pop it on this middle one because it'll just be bang in the center. on really low heat. Just going to try and mash everything up. And then cook this for say 5 minutes on low heat. Just get some color, and I'm going to mash it a bit more. So this has been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to let it kind of cook for another 5 minutes, and pieces have broken down. The more you cook, the more flavor it is going to add, and also a nice deep color. And you can see it's all kind of beginning to stick char, which is lovely. I've just got some water boiling in the kettle. Look, it's lovely. Look at that. That is going to be beautiful. Just keep scraping it out. Oh boy, this is going to be heavenly. So next we add in the plain flour. So just going to sprinkle it evenly. 4 tablespoons. Just going to give it a mix. Just let it coat. For me, and actually for us family, gravy is one of the highlights for the roast dinner. Next goes in 2 liters of boiling water. And now just gently mix it all up, and then let it simmer on really low heat for half an hour, and then I'll check if it needs a bit more time. Oh, joy. So this has been cooking for around 25-30 minutes. That's perfect. It's becoming nice and thick. Make sure that you scrape off all the bits from the bottom, which are going to add the flavor. And now you can use a fine sieve or a thick sieve, whatever you want. I don't want to use a fine sieve because I don't want to lose out. I want little bits in it. So yeah, I'll do that now. Right, so I'm just going to take a few ladles and then just right, got the last bit left. I just want to show you that actually with all the scraping I've done, the pan is clean. Where it's got no sticky bits to it. I might have to just hold it like this now. Get the last bits out. And that is gravy ready. Just look at that gorgeousness. So I know that this is for Christmas Day. And I won't double dip this, but I just want a tiniest bit. Cook sparks. Oh my god. Oh. Lovely. So at this stage, you can taste it. You can add extra seasoning if you want. This for me is absolutely perfect. It's just got so much flavor. I don't have enough words to explain it, but this is fantastic. Now I have got a cover and I'm going to let this cool down completely and then leave it in the fridge, and on Christmas Day I will just reheat it. And obviously this is not just for Christmas. This is such a great addition to go with pies, to go with tarts. And the other day I had a sandwich from a local bakery that made nut roast sandwich, and they gave gravy in little pots to pour over a sandwich, and it was delicious. So yes, you can enjoy this with all different kinds of meals. So I do hope you're going to give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.